Embarrassing.
Okay, guys. Okay, quiet, please. Okay, we're going to go through and do our greatest common factor worksheet today. Yes, you're going to need your whiteboard.
Can I have a whiteboard marker real quick?
Guys, get your own markers.
Sorry.
I had one, but I keep on forgetting to bring it.
I had one, but like I popped it open. Have that one?
No.
24. Can you please watch a video? Can I have one?
Cameron,
Yeah?
give me that marker. Okay, guys.
Thank you.
All right. If you're watching online, your language class is going to be at normal time. Mrs. Ruby will be in here at 10:30 to teach your language class. For the rest of you, we're working on the greatest common factor worksheet. This is the sheet that was stapled to your LCM worksheet yesterday. Okay. GCF. Greatest common factor. We're going to do the same process to start off with as we did with LCM. So we have the numbers 24 and 10. Break them down into prime factors. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, and then we have 2 times 5. Okay? This is the one where we're looking only for common factors. Okay? So what factor appears in this row that appears also in this row? What was that? 2. Do we have anything else that's the same? No, we do not. So our greatest common factor for 24 and 10 is 2. Okay? So what we're looking for is greatest common factor. We're looking for factors, these are both factors, that are in common. Yes?
What if there's two, like,
Okay?
So what do we write on this little box right here? Mr. Larson?
Hold on, I have another question I'm dealing with. Okay, so we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Okay. Then we have 2 times 2 times 2. Okay. So if this was 8 instead of 10, we now have 2 times 2 times 2, right? Okay. So because we have this 2's in common here, we have 2's in common here, and we have 2's in common here. Whatever numbers you have in common, you multiply together. So when we multiply all three of these 2's together, we get 8. 8 is the common factor between 8 and 24. Okay? So as long as there's common factors, as long as you can match up this factor with another factor down here, they're in common, okay? Then you take it and you multiply everything that's in common. So if you have 12 2's down here and you have 10 2's down here, you're going to multiply 2 times 2 10 times because you have 10 factors in common. All right? If you have 3 and 3, a 3 and a 3 down here, then you're going to multiply times 3, which you're going to give you the same number. Okay? So let's go through and do another one here. That little line is going to be your GCF. So for 10, it's going to be the number 2. That little line, you're going to have the number 2. 24, you're going to put all your factors together just like that. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. For 10, you're going to put 2 times 5 for the bigger line. Yes?
So we have to use it
No, you do not use the 3 in this. Because there's no 3. Let me put the original problem back up. Okay? There is no 3 in common down here, right? There's no 3 down here, so we're not using the 3. The same reason there's no 5 up here, we're not using this 5. The only thing we have in common is 1, 2. So your GCF for 24 and 10 is going to be 2. Okay? So in the bigger line, next to 24, you're going to put 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And the big line next to the 10, you're going to put 2 times 5. And on that little line, you're going to put the number 2. All right? Now let's look at another question here. Let's look at number 2. Problem number 2, we have 18 and 21. So we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to break it down into prime factors. This time I'm going to do division of prime. Okay. So here I have 3 times 3 times 2, and I have 3 times 7. What factor appears here that also appears right here? The 3. Do you have anything else in common? No, you do not. So your GCF is going to be 3. Okay? Let's see if you guys can do one. Let's do problem number 3. Problem number 3. 25 and 30. 25 and 30. Again, I don't care if you use a factor tree. I don't care if you do division of prime. I want you guys to do 25 and 30. Yes.
Which one? What? This one right here?
Problem number 3. Tony, what happened to yours from yesterday? I don't have a marker. You're going to have to use paper. Yes. Yes. What's this times this?
Oh.
Good. Good. All right, that's good. Okay, now what's your G? Dude, that's not 3 times 3 is what?
2.
Yep. Good. Make sure you show me your GCF too. What's your GCF? Good. Good. Yep. Go ahead and do number 4 next. 4 is easy, never mind. 5 is easy. Do number 6. Good.
What number?
Number 6. Good. Good.
Number 6.
Okay.
Would I multiply?
You're not multiplying anymore, okay? So all you're doing now is you're listing your factors. So what factor appears up here that also appears down here? Do you have a 3 up here?
No.
Do you have a 2 up here?
No.
Do you have a 5 up here?
Yes.
Do you have a 5 down here?
No.
You don't have a 5 down here?
Oh, yeah.
You do. So that's what's in common. Okay? So your GCF, because it appears down here and right here, that's what's in common.
Okay.
Okay? Good. 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 Hold on. Good. What's your GCF?
2.
Yep. Good. 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 No. All right. All right, homework for tonight is going to be the back of the page. It's going to be all the back page. Make sure you bring this back on Monday. We will be grading it. So all the back page, you guys got 16 questions right there, and that's going to be your homework for tonight.
Do you have to finish the
Good.
page too? Just finish it.
No, you don't have to finish the other page.
39.
What's that?